Mom places one egg in a pot. Days later, this is brilliant. If you're a connoisseur in search of new and unique gardening tips, try these obscure ideas to grow a dream backyard paradise in no time. Number 1. Feed it an egg. Plants need nutrients to grow big and strong. Place a whole raw egg into your pot before adding soil. As it decomposes, the egg will serve as natural fertilizer, food for your plant. Number 2. Seed tapes. Toilet paper is made from trees, so it can only make sense to continue the cycle of life and return it to the plant world. Roll up your lettuce leaf seeds in toilet paper tape. A guide on how to create this special treatment can be found online at Lady Lee's Home. Number 3. Packing peanut filler. Packing peanuts make great potted plant filler for flowers. Now you can move those huge plants with ease and save money on soil. Check out more ideas at the Reluctant Entertainer. Number 4. Upcycle that toilet paper roll. Grow a few seedlings inside upcycled toilet paper rolls. Stephanie at Garden Therapy can show you how to plant your starter seeds using this very inexpensive container. A fort made of forks. Keep rabbits and kitty cats out of your garden with a neat trick. Check out Made Dreams Garden for more info on how this over-the-top yet effective barrier against animal pests works. Number 6. Build a protective wall. Stop invasive plants from taking over your garden. Cut a hole in the bottom of the cheap plastic container your new baby plant comes in and bury it in the ground. The container forms a fantastic protective barrier and also allows the plant to properly root itself in the soil. Number 7. Seed planting calendar. Plan your veggie garden ahead of time. The Home Farmer has a cute DIY calendar tutorial that will remind you when to plant those seeds. Number 8. Grow roses in potatoes. This one is certainly different. You can grow rose trimmings inside of a potato. Delmarva Survival Training has a great tutorial on how to transform loose flower cuttings into a beautiful rose bush. Try your hand at these clever ways to make gardening super fun. Whether you decide to upcycle toilet paper into seedling tape or make a monthly planting garden, it will definitely be different from the normal way you're used to gardening. Have tips of your own? Add them as comments on this video. And don't forget to share it with your friends.